The ultimate guide to K-tip extensions. Unlocking seamless volume and length for textured hair. Let's be real for a second. Finding the perfect hair extension method feels a lot like dating. You have your flings, clip-ins, your high-maintenance relationships, sew-ins that itch like crazy. And then, occasionally, you find the one. If you've been scrolling through Instagram or TikTok lately, gazing enviously at women with thick, flowing, natural-looking manes that seem to defy gravity, you've probably stumbled upon the holy grail of hair luxury, K-tip extensions. Grab a coffee or a glass of wine, sit back, and let's dive deep into the world of keratin tip extensions. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from the application process to the nitty-gritty maintenance, so you can decide if this luxury service is the glow you've been waiting for. https rawhairluxury.com/the-ultimate-guide-to-k-tip-extensions #K-tip extensions. #K-tip extensions for textured hair. #how long do K-tip extensions last? #seamless hair extensions. #K-tips versus tape-ins. #raw hair luxury.